Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fair with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe this Indonesian we can call it dessert, but actually we can eat it any time of the day. It is using plantain, although in Indonesia we don't use plantain, we use other kind of bananas. I know plantain is not bananas, don't protest. In Indonesia we call plantain as banana as well. This following dessert is called Kolak Pisang. So basically this is with coconut milk and palm sugar, although I'm using brown sugar, but it is very nice. Some people use add yams or cassava or other goodies inside this dessert. But the main ingredient would be banana, coconut milk, and brown sugar, or in this case, plantain. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Oh, I almost forgot. You can serve this dessert cold, chilled, room temperature, or warm. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So I have 3 plantains here. In Indonesia, we don't use this kind of... Okay, in Indonesia, we call banana as plantain as well. So plantain, I know it's not banana, but plantain is also banana in Indonesia. So we don't use plantain for this dessert, but I don't have the correct or the proper banana in Canada, so I'm gonna use plantain instead Cavendish. The only bananas I could find in Canada normally just Cavendish and plantain, but we cannot use Cavendish for this following dessert because Cavendish will be so too tender, too soft for this dessert, so we're gonna use plantain. These are 3 plantains. We're just gonna slice it, and then this is 1.5 liter of water. We're gonna boil our sliced plantain in the water. But for now, we're gonna slice it first, like so, and just drop it into our water. So bring to boil these plantains in the 1.5 cup of water. 1.5 liter of water until the plantains tender. Once plantain tender, boiled about for 20 minutes. Add in 1 can of thick coconut milk. Keep boiling. If you have screw pine leaf, by all means add it. It will fragrant your dessert, but I don't have. And we're also gonna add 1/2 cup of sugar and enough of demerara style sugar, or you can use palm sugar, coconut palm sugar, brown sugar to color your dessert. So this dessert originally used coconut palm sugar. It's fragrant and nice flavoring and nice coloring, but I don't have, so I'm just gonna use demerara style sugar. Also add a pinch of fine sea salt to balance the sweetness. And just bring it back to boil. In Indonesia, we usually add not just the bananas or the plantains, but also yams, sweet potatoes, cassava, and sometimes tapioca pearl, jackfruit, so it's all up to you. But the most basic would be just the banana or plantain.